Okay, y'all, I have to talk about this. I never take videos in between patients on my work days. I like to take them at home and I don't like to really rant, but we got to talk about this, right? YouTube, they increased their monetization goal or requirement by doubling it. Doubling it. I mean, I don't know about you, but as a small creator, a doctor in her 40s trying to get information out there to the public about health and wellness, competing with all the 20-year-olds out there saying God knows what, and just trying to get truth out there. It is a rough road because YouTube doesn't really push our content as much as big creators and as much as these younger YouTube creators who have bigger channels. God bless them. But it's really frustrating, especially in the health and wellness industry, because I created this channel to get truth out there, to get real data out there, and talk to you about topics that will help you in your health and wellness journey. But because I am a new creator and because I'm, older, I feel like I'm running up a muddy hill, and 4,000 watch hours is hard to get. Now, I've had this channel less than a year and we're on our way to 4,000, but now that YouTube changed the requirement, we may not even get 4,000 by February 1st, which is when it increases to 8,000. And then I don't know about you, but comment below if you have a new channel, especially in the health and wellness industry or like any other industry that's very saturated. It is hard to get those watch hours, especially as a new and small creator. Tell me how many hours you have, how many subscribers you have, and how long your channel has been open. Let's talk about this because it's crazy. And I am not the kind of person that complains. Again, I believe in positive thinking and not complaining and not really getting downtrodden. But this is frustrating, and gosh, it's like running a marathon and then you get to the halfway point and you're really tired and your feet hurt and they're like, oh, but I'm there, I'm halfway there, I can do it. And then they say, oh no, actually, yeah, you're a quarter of the way there. Yeah, the goal just changed. That's what I feel like just happened. My feet hurt. I'm tired. I love doing this. I love creating videos, but it's a lot of work to a new creator. I don't have all the fancy equipment. I do this all by myself. I do not outsource my videos to be edited. I do all of that by myself in between patients, and I have 2 little kids and life is crazy busy. So just adding this on top of everything, it's a lot. And again, I'm doing this, it's not my job, but I'm doing this because I'm passionate about it. But I also want it to be monetized, A, as a goal, but B, just to have more recognition in the channel and to have the ability to do this on the side and help patients and clients. It is important to me. It is important to me. So it's a bummer. Tell me what your thoughts are. Are you bummed out? I'm trying not to be negative, so I apologize if I sound whiny right now. But to you creators, how are you feeling about this? I want to know. I do. I really want to know. And are you afraid that they're gonna kick that goal further down the road and unnoticed? And what are your thoughts on working on other social media platforms? And what's the niche that you're in, and how are you handling this? So I would love to hear from you. Again, this video is totally kind of out of my niche. Again, I'm not talking about health and wellness right now, but I would love you to check out my channel to see what it's all about. I'm a doctor in her 40s, I'm 45, and I just want to provide real information out there that is accurate and break through all that noise that offers inaccurate information, often by people who have no clue what they're talking about. So that's why I was passionate to create this channel. But I wanted to talk about this topic, get it out there, see what y'all thinking, see who responds to this. Let's create a community. Let's bond together. Let's be there for each other, because y'all, this is gnarly. And I hope that we can get through this and reach this goal, even though our feet are sore We are winded and we are tired. Let's get there, y'all. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe and comment on what your thoughts are. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share this video if it was a blessing to you. Here's another video for you to watch. Have a blessed day.